Hi guys! I'm with my cousin making in a YouTube and we're eating yaki. Where's your yaki, bro? Why look at all my...
Pinignan ko lutoon.
So, you doing?
It's here.
Mine is color blue.
Ay.
Color yellow lagi.
Wait, I'll come back, guys.
Okay, I'm coming with him guys. Huh? Ano, gilaway?
Like my videos.
Comment to
Lupad my videos. Nalupad ko.
I'm very pro.
It's so awesome, guys.
It's so sour. Sour. It's sour bubble gum. That's why it's called yaki.
Guys. Smell my beautiful feet. Smell my beautiful feet.
He's crazy.
Look at me at the side of Camille.
Ow. Bro! Bye-bye. There's a plant growing, guys. There's a plant growing here. Here's the plant growing. Let's see it. Okay. Oh, there's a plant. The video man. So guys, I just went outside. This is the outside. There's a plant.
Again.
No. Bye guys. The plant. Bye.